Hello everyone. This video demonstrates how the student panel of e-exams works. First, you would receive an email on your registered email ID from your institute. When you click on that email, you would see details like username, password, and URL for the e-exam. If you have not received the mail in your inbox, kindly check your spam folder and mark the mail as not spam. Now click on the URL mentioned in the mail and enter the login details, that is user ID and password mentioned in the mail. Once you sign in, this is how the panel interface looks. It has two divisions: recent e-exams and past e-exams. In recent e-exams, you would see the exams that you can appear for, and past e-exams would show the exams that you have completed. Now let's understand how e-exams work. Click on Start e-exam. A terms and conditions page would come. It is important to read the terms and conditions before you proceed. Also, since this is an online exam, it is important to ensure that the internet connection is proper. Now click on I agree to proceed. The exam is started. Read the question and answer it. Once you have answered the question, click on Next. For each question, a specific time will be allotted, which will be set by your examiner. Based on the timing set, the timer would start rolling. Make sure to answer the question within that time period. If you have not answered within the time period, the answer will not be considered and you will get an error message. On completion of the e-exam, you would get a pop-up message. Click on OK. Now on the panel, you can see that the exam is shifted to past e-exams and the status is attended and done. Declaration of results. Once the result for the e-exam is declared, you would again receive an email. Now click on the URL and sign in by entering your username and password. Now here you would see that the status which was previously done has converted to View Report. Click on View Reports to view your result. You can see a detailed report of your answer. Below there is a button Download Certificate, from where you can download the e-certificate for the e-exam you have completed. This is how the certificate would look. This is how the student panel of e-exams work. Thank you for watching the demo. For details, contact 9821 22 66 88.